Welcome to Math World. Today's topic BITMAS. The rule of order of operations is called BITMAS. The four basic mathematical operations are addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. BITMAS rule tells us the right order of these operations to simplify a mathematical expression. Expansion of BITMAS. B bracket. Four types of brackets are vingulum or bar, parenthesis, curly brackets and square brackets. I for indices. Examples: 2 raised to 3, 5 raised to 2. D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition and S for subtraction. Let us simplify a few numerical expressions using BITMAS rule. First problem: 9 plus 5 multiplied by 2 enclosed by parenthesis. According to BITMAS rule, we should remove the bracket first. 9 plus 5 times 2, which is equal to 10. 9 plus 10 is 19. Question number 2. 3 plus 5 minus 7 multiplied by 1. The operations involved in this problem are addition, subtraction and multiplication. By BITMAS rule, we should perform multiplication first, then addition and finally subtraction. 3 plus 5 minus 7 into 1, 7. 3 plus 5, 8 minus 7. 8 minus 7, 1. Question number 3. 10 plus 17 enclosed by parenthesis divided by 3. According to BITMAS rule, first we must remove or simplify bracket. So 10 plus 17 is equal to 27. 27 divided by 3 is equal to 9. Fourth problem. This problem contains three types of brackets: parenthesis, curly brackets and square brackets. By BITMAS rule, we should simplify bracket first. The innermost bracket in this numerical expression is parenthesis. So we simplify parenthesis first. 12 minus 3 minus 6 minus 5 minus 1, which is equal to 4. The next innermost bracket is curly brackets. So 12 minus 3 minus 6 minus 4, which is equal to 2. Now the only set of brackets that is remaining is the square brackets. So let us remove the square brackets. 12 minus 3 minus 2, which is equal to 1. So 12 minus 1, 11. Fifth problem. The innermost bracket of this problem is parenthesis. So we remove parenthesis first. 100 plus 8 divided by 2 plus 3 times 2 is 6. So 6 minus 6 divided by 2. Next we remove curly brackets. 100 plus 8 divided by 2 plus, here you can notice that inside curly brackets there are two operations, subtraction and division. By BITMAS rule, we should perform division first and then subtraction. 6 minus 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3. 100 plus 8 divided by 2 plus 6 minus 3, 3. Now, this numerical expression contains two operations, addition and division. We will carry out division first, then addition. 100 plus 8 divided by 2 is equal to 4 plus 3. 100 plus 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. 100 plus 7 is 107. Question number 6. The innermost bracket in this numerical expression is vingulum. So, we will remove vingulum first. 20 plus 8 multiplied by 2 plus 6 multiplied by 3 is 18 minus 10 divided by 5. The next innermost bracket is curly brackets. So, we will remove curly brackets. 20 plus 8 multiplied by 2 plus, here inside the curly brackets we have two operations, subtraction and division. By Bitmas rule, we should perform division first, then subtraction. So 18 minus 10 divided by 5, 2. 20 plus 8 multiplied by 2 plus 18 minus 2 is 16. Now let us remove square brackets. Inside square brackets, we have two operations, multiplication and addition. We should do multiplication first, then addition. 20 plus 8 times 2 is equal to 16 plus 16. 20 plus 16 plus 16 is equal to 32. 20 plus 32 is equal to 52. Hope you learned to simplify numerical expressions using Bitmas rule. Try the practice problems and check it with the given answers.